My name is Bob Nicholson. I'm the Managing Director of Cambridge Vacuum Engineering. It's official, we're a great place to work. There are many reasons why. Come on in and take a look. We're experts in creating innovative engineering and welding solutions. Our technologies help solve some of the biggest engineering challenges facing companies in aerospace, automotive, defence, renewables, nuclear and oil and gas. As the world looks to reduce its carbon footprint, our welding solutions are at the forefront of development, enabling greater productivity and quality in the manufacture of electric vehicle batteries, wind turbines, and even nuclear reactors. Our work is incredibly serious, technical, and important. Make sure we have a lot of fun too, supporting our employees professionally and personally every step of the way.
Hey!